Welcome all of you. In this video, we discuss how to calculate the goodwill on goodwill chapter. Means you are trying to solve the problems on goodwill. There are different methods for valuation of goodwill. First one, net asset method. Second one, average profit method. Under average profit method, first one, simple average profit, weighted average profit. Third one, capitalization of average profit. Fourth one, super profit method. Under super profit method, purchase of super profit, sliding scale valuation of super profit, annuity method, capitalization of super profit. Now we discuss the problem under the different methods one by one. First one, net asset method. What do you mean by net assets? Excess of assets over the liabilities is called net asset. Excess of assets over the liabilities is called net asset. By taking one example, we can understand. Vijay Company purchases the business of Sanjay Company. Total assets of Sanjay Company rupees 5 lakh and liabilities of Sanjay Company rupees 2 lakh. But the Vijay Company agreed to pay rupees 5 lakh. Now we calculate net assets of Sanjay Company Limited. The total assets of Sanjay Company rupees 5 lakh. The liabilities of Sanjay Company rupees 2 lakh. The net asset 5 lakh minus 2 lakh rupees 3 lakh. Rupees 3 lakh is the net asset of Sanjay Company. Now you have to calculate the goodwill. The purchase consideration minus net asset. This is a formula to calculate the goodwill under net asset method. Goodwill is equal to purchase consideration minus net assets. Okay, now we calculate the goodwill of Sanjay Company Limited. Goodwill is equal to the purchase price is paid by Vijay Company Limited to Sanjay Company Limited. How much rupees? 5 lakh. Already stated in the problem. Vijay Company Limited agreed to pay of rupees 5 lakh to Vijay Company Limited. And net asset, what is the answer? Rupees 3 lakh. Rupees 5 lakh minus rupees 3 lakh, what is the amount? Rupees 2 lakh. Means this is the additional amount is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. This is additional amount is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company, rupees 2 lakh. This is additional payment to the Sanjay Company. This is called purchased goodwill and this is called goodwill. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please share this video to your friend circle and also give the like to this video and also type your suggestions, comments, opinion, any queries in this comment box given below this video. Now discuss the problem. Vijay Company Limited purchased the business of Sanjay Company Limited, which was having the assets of rupees 5 lakh and liabilities of rupees 2 lakh. Vijay Company Limited discharged means paid the purchase consideration by the issue of 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at 25% premium compute the value of goodwill as per the net asset method. Again, we are to try to understand the problem. Vijay Company Limited purchased the business of Sanjay Company Limited. Sanjay Company Limited was having the assets of rupees 5 lakh and liabilities of rupees 2 lakh. Vijay Company Limited agreed to pay the purchase consideration by the issue of 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at 25% premium. This is additional amount paid by the Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. Compute the value of goodwill as per the net asset method. Okay, now solve the problem. Goodwill is equal to, what is the formula? Purchase consideration minus net assets. Now, net asset is equal to total assets minus outside liabilities. Now we solve the problem. Calculation of purchase consideration or price. Purchase price. Now, what is the amount is paid by, what is the agreed pay amount paid by the Vijay Company to Sanjay Company? Vijay Company agreed to issue 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 40,000 equity shares into rupees 10, what is the amount of? Rupees 4 lakh. With this amount also agreed by the Vijay Company to Sanjay Company to pay additional amount 25% as premium. Premium at 25%. Rupees 4 lakh into 25%. 25% of rupees 4 lakh, what is the amount of? Rupees 1 lakh. 4 lakh plus 1 lakh, what is the total amount of purchase price or purchase consideration? Rupees 5 lakh. This amount is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. This is the price payable by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. This is purchase consideration. This is purchase price. Now, calculation of goodwill of Sanjay Company. Now, the purchase consideration or price is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. Rupees 5 lakh, already calculated it. The purchase price or consideration is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company, already calculated how much rupees 5 lakh. This is purchase price. Now, how to deduct the net assets of Sanjay Company? The value of net assets of Sanjay Company, the total assets rupees 5 lakh minus outside liabilities 2 lakh. Total assets of Sanjay Company rupees 5 lakh, outside liabilities of Sanjay Company rupees 2 lakh. What is the net assets of Sanjay Company? Rupees 3 lakh. What is the purchase price? Rupees 5 lakh. Net less outside liabilities 3 lakh. What is the answer? What is the purchased goodwill? Rupees 2 lakh. This amount is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. This is additional amount is paid by Vijay Company to Sanjay Company. This is goodwill. What the excess amount is paid by purchasing company to the vendor company after taking over the net asset method. Means what the purchasing company is paid the excess amount over the net asset method, over the net assets, that is called goodwill. Okay, in this problem, the excess amount is paid by Vijay Company to the Sanjay Company is rupees 2 lakh. This is goodwill. This is purchased goodwill. Thank you for watching this video.